Try Smallppt generate slides with one click. Support uploading files to generate slides. A wide variety of templates to choose from. Support changing other templates with one click. Built-in AI writing function. Enter the topic to generate articles with one click. Generated articles can also be rewritten and simplified with one click. Smallppt supports AI summary function. Uploading files or links can generate content summaries with one click. Finally, the new PDF function makes file management easier. Come to Smallppt to improve work and study efficiency.